Hello, welcome back to the TV room. David Bradley here, I'm your host. I had a thought. Occasionally these things happen. I'm going to plug this PET in. I think. There, I plugged it in. Now, I'm going to open it up. And I'm going to grab this keyboard. Ta-da! Then I'm going to grab the cable. For the keyboard. And I will plug it in. At least that is the plan. Okay. It is plugged in. And now I will slide the connector over. So even though I have not installed this into the machine, it is installed somewhat. Now I can turn it on. And it comes to life. And I know it's hard to see. But anyway, it does. Oh no. Well, that's why we tried this. I am wondering. Wow. Like nothing is working. I'm wondering if it is possible, and anything is possible. Well, I'm glad I didn't screw this all the way in. Ow, ow. Do I have this wrong? Do I have this the wrong way up? It's very possible. Oh, yeah. Ha ha ha. Yeah, when you have things twisted and turned around in a different direction, it's possible to have things. Oops. Oh, that didn't work. World base of COMMODOR. Where am I? E space. That shift key doesn't work. Shift lock. Quote. Semicolon. Colon. G02 go to 1 0 return run. Okay, so I'm sure you can't see that very well, and I think I've got this all the way turned up. Yeah, I do. Oh, I think, but there it is. So this is working. The keyboard is happy, even though it's dirty and dusty. It does seem to work, although this one shift key, I didn't try the other shift key, seems to be working. All right, so, all right, I'm gonna fold this up, and then, with great care and reverence, I will grab some of the original screws that came out of this keyboard in this machine. There's one that should hold it for a little. There's two, sort of finger tight. not even finger tight, just a little bit in. Okay, 3. Put another one in over here. If I can get it in. There we go. 4. And then we will screw them in some. Still, they're tough going in. All right. But they don't need to be reefed in. They just need to hold. I'm sure one of the things they were looking for quite quickly is how to have the keyboard mounted safely inside a PET without having so many screws. So many screws. Now, another thing I'm going to try here. Oh, this. There, you should be able to see it a little better. Where's the Commodore? Where's the Commodore? Where's the Commodore? I do have a bright light on in here, but that's all the better to see me with. So now, I should be able to open this up. I've got to find some kind of cardboard or something to place in front. I don't need to mount the SuperPET board, but I need to get it in there, and I need to have things fastened, and I need to make sure it doesn't short out. Also, this connector that I'm not very fond of, never liked it. The pins are kind of wonky, I think. That needs to go into the 6502 socket without hurting it. So, I'm going to turn this off. I'll open it up, and maybe I'll just let it sit open. So, there are already in here, there are these little cables. This is for power. It is. I need to find switches, which they're very secured, but I know I should have some downstairs with the stuff that Rudy brought back, so I'm going to look for that. So basically in here we have a power cable that goes to the board, we have this thing that goes to the monitor, this goes to the keyboard, and then the SuperPET will sit inside, and it has basically the umbilical cord that takes it up to the SuperPET board. So what I can do right now, assuming I can do right now, is I don't need this 6502 in here. I do not. So if I can, there we go. That came out nicely. And it's looking fine. I'll set that down over there. So I need, for this next mission, I need to find something to put in between this and get ready to plug things in and see what's what. That's what I need to do next. Oh yeah. And so, I guess I will set about doing that. So stay tuned for the quick and dirty testing of the SuperPET board. Thanks so much for coming. Thanks for being here. We'll see you soon back here in the TV room. I'm David Bradley, your host. Bye for now.